love mango rice. I love mango rice. But my mom says avoid rice. So I have taken that as an interesting challenge. Today I'm going to prepare mango rice, but without any rice. I'm going to keep the flavor and that too just under 15 minutes. So let's get started. First and foremost, timer. 15 minutes and it has started. So I'm going to use poha instead of rice. Okay, the first step for poha is to wash. Wash it really well for around 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna keep it. Next step is peel our mangoes. This is really good peeler. In case you're interested, it's going to reduce at least 1/5 of your peeling time. I'm just 100% sure. Just look at this. Look at this. See, done. Maybe in 15 seconds it is done. I'm having a very strong feeling that I'm going to complete this on time or before time. So simple and so easy and so quick. Just imagine a very busy morning and you're craving for it. And if you have all the ingredients ready properly, you can finish off this in 10 to 15 minutes. Very easy. That is good amount of oil. And next, our favorite peanuts. We're going to have around 2 spoons of chana dal. 1 spoon of urad dal. Just half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Dried chili, just break it in half and put it and just mix it well. This will take around a minute. In the meanwhile, I'll peel the ginger. Now this I'll just directly grate it. If you want, you can chop it also, but I'll just grate it directly. Whatever is convenient to you, you can choose that. I think I'm good on time. Okay, good. 6 minutes done. I think curry leaves also we can add right now only. Just add the green chilies also. And our tadka is done. So good. That ginger aroma and this whole thing, it's just coming so perfect. I love this. Now we have 7 more minutes. No, almost 8 minutes. That's a very good thing. You just have to chop. Just randomly cut into pieces because you have to make it. This might take that. You know what I do?
It was at this moment that he knew he done.
It's too tangy. We're good to go. Now you need to paste it. Okay. This is done. Perfect. Now let this mango paste and tadka have a nice meetup, understand each other and bond really well. In this, now you have to add salt and turmeric. So a little bit of turmeric, salt as required. It's so good. You must definitely at least once try this. Look at that flavor. And poha adding time. See that the gravy is done. Our tadka gravy is done. Now we need to add our poha. So just add the poha. And and then mix well. And also love is a very important ingredient. See, look at that. I'll taste it. I have 1 minute 10 seconds. So just it'll get in the flavor and then I'll taste it. Perfect. Stop. So please do try it and let me know in the comment section how it turned out and how much time it took for you. So thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.